Listen to this, chat. Oh my God. Yo. YouTube, what is good with y'all, man? We back with another video. What are you doing? This shit can't be real. Yo, listen to these burbles early in the morning. But right now, we about to go pull up on that boy Christian, man. You feel me? Damn. Y'all boys hear the car right now? I think it's supposed to rain out all day, but I'm not sure. I'm just about to pull up on that boy Christian right now. Feel me? Yo, this is the first time I'm pulling up here in the light green. Thank you, my boy. Yes, sir. Yo, why does it look like it's gonna rain out right now? Listen to this, chat. Oh my God. Don't do it, bro. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Hey, man, I'm telling y'all, bro. I probably have one of the best sounding 340s out here, bro. And I'm not trying to flex or none of that. I just genuinely do. Yo, this all backroads shot. This shit finna sound crazy. Like, listen to this shit, bro. Oh my. Oh my God. Yo. Chat, this shit sound overly nice. Oh my God, look at this overpass. Yo, get off. Look at this water, man. Chill. That shit sound crazy. Tell me who got the craziest sounding B58 otherwise from this shit. Now, I'm not saying there's no more crazy sounding B58s. I'm just saying this one just sound crazy as hell. Well, that's going right. I need to be going straight, brother. If y'all boys new to the channel, man, drop a like, comment, subscribe. We on the road to 10K subs right now. And I can say, man, I appreciate all the love y'all boys been showing me on this channel. You feel me? Considering a year ago, I didn't even want to start YouTube. I didn't want to put my face in front of a camera and make videos for y'all, but now, ain't no going back, man. You know what I'm saying? Listen to them shifts. Crazy. I don't know why my ambience won't work right now. Thank you, Jesus, for giving me this car, man. So I could do POVs, you know what I'm saying? Try to inspire some people that want a B58. Or just inspire people who just want to make car content in general, bro. That's the type of shit I love to do. Whatever y'all boys doing when you see in this video, you could be eating, sitting on the couch, whatever you doing, man. Let me know down in the comments below right now. Oh shit. Listen to this shit, chat. Bumbleclad! Yo! Oh my God! That shit sound too crazy, man. Yo, I owe Christian this one, chat. Every time this nigga pull up to my crib, he be going crazy. Every time he come to my neighborhood, he acting crazy, chat. We owe him this one. Fish boy. This nigga got the bike out already, chat. Something wrong with this nigga. Nigga, what are you doing? What are you doing? What's wrong with it? Oh, you washed it? You about to ride it today? Let me turn around, bro. Right. Chat, this is a nice neighborhood, bro. I'm not gonna lie. It's a nice ass neighborhood, man. Y'all niggas don't be weird trying to find out where niggas live at and shit, bro. Don't be doing that shit. This nigga love the bullshit, bro. You already know, chat. We finna hop out this motherfucker right now. What this nigga got going on, chat? Yo. What is that? Turbo? Facts. How fast this shit be going? That's tough. Underrated, nigga. Oh, this where you get the name from. That shit tough. So who did the picture, John? Machine. Clean. Yo, if you get some wheels, nigga, she'll be tucking. Facts. This nigga. What you on? Clean. You don't even gotta wash it, bro. All you gotta do is wipe it down. So it's been raining out here. This nigga in bed, chat. This why we don't be cruising, nigga. Pop out the Christian crib, bro, if you free. We not different, bro. We here. You can take your time. Ain't no fucking way it's raining out here right now, chat. And we out here fucking with bikes. Bag season, nigga. So put down in the comments below who be fucking with these bikes. I don't. These shit scary as hell, boy. Hey, chat. I broke my CPL filter, so if y'all see glare on the windshield right now, my bad. Give y'all boys a walk around the car real quick. Feel what I'm saying? Reaper. Iman. Yo, chat. Question, right? Let me know if I should triple chrome these rims right here. Don't forget, nigga. That's fire. Let me know if I should triple chrome these rims for impact. Feel me? Because sooner or later, I'm going to be taking the tints off this car. So it's going to look way, way better, bro. And I'm about to replace this. I'm about to replace this with the V-style lip. So thought your ass was getting chased, I swear to God. The way he was looking back, I'm like, yo. Oh my Goddy. That boy D just pulled up, chat. Oh my. That shit. That boy just got the. That boy just put some springs on, chat. That shit look fire. And the green DRLs look tough. Sheesh. Chat, that boy going crazy. Carbon grills. Bro, wait till the lip go on this John. All you need right now is just a lip, chat. That shit gonna be sitting right. Oh shit. That shit started on that same bridge. All right, bet.
Careful when you go, when you look first, because people be flying across the bottom of it.
All right, bet. Safety, bro. Chat, so right now, man, we leaving Christian crib. We got that boy right by me. No pause. I'm about to go back to the crib right now. Give y'all boys some sounds on the way out of here. Yes, sir. Yo. 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 This shit crazy. We got that boy right over here, chat. Yo, why my shit just gave me a chassis code? Yo. Oh, back roads. Oh my God. Oh my God. Hey man, if y'all boys enjoy the vlog, man, drop a like, comment, subscribe. If y'all want to see more vlogs like this, yo. Oh my God. The fuck? You said spin it? Nah, it's X drive, bro. It's 4-wheel drive. I can't. Yes, sir. Chat to right now. I'm on my way to the crib, man. Oh my God, chat. Look at all this traffic right now. Let me check to see what y'all boys seeing real quick. Look at all this traffic right now. But yeah, man, today was just a little chill vlog, you know what I'm saying, chat? I just got up early and pulled up on that boy Christian. Cause it's supposed to rain out all day today. Feel what I'm saying? Oh my God. Yo, why is this Jeep riding my dick? But anyway, chat, you feel what I'm saying, man? I'm about to go back to the crib right now. I'm tired as shit. I'm gonna hop on Forza with the guys, man. Any of y'all boys, if y'all play Forza or anything, man, just let me know. Put down in the comments below, we can run it, bro. And it's supposed to rain all day, I guess, so. But with that being said, man, I'm gonna catch y'all boys in the next one, man.